Are you tired of losing your keys, wallet, or backpack? Say goodbye to frantic searches because the Apple AirTag 4-pack is here to revolutionize how you keep track of your most valuable items. What makes these tiny trackers truly stand out is Apple's incredible precision finding feature, utilizing ultra-wideband technology to guide you right to your lost item with exact distance and direction. Imagine your phone literally pointing you to your misplaced bag under the sofa. No more guessing, just effortless retrieval. Setting up your AirTag couldn't be simpler. With just a single tap, it instantly pairs with your iPhone, getting you up and running in seconds. And don't worry about accidental spills or drops, because these little guardians boast an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, making them incredibly durable for everyday adventures. It's not just a tracker. It's seamlessly integrated into the Apple Find My network, leveraging hundreds of millions of Apple devices worldwide to help you locate items even when they're far away. If you're ready to end the stress of losing things, grab your Apple AirTag 4-pack today. For the best price and to purchase yours, check out the Amazon link in the description below. It's a smart investment for peace of mind. Whether you need to track your luggage, bike, or even your pet's collar, the AirTag offers unparalleled reliability and ease of use. Seriously, for anyone looking for the absolute best Bluetooth tracker and top electronics pick of 2025, the Apple AirTag is an essential gadget you won't regret buying.